How to uninstall Google Meet from Android phone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. Today in this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to uninstall Google Meet from. In order to do this procedure, you'll have to follow the simple steps. Now first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. After which, what you want to do is go ahead and tap on the search box and type in Google Meet. When you type in Google Meet, you just have to go ahead and press on it, or you could actually go ahead and when you actually long press on it, you can see that there is no such thing as uninstall button. Now what you could do is, first of all, you could try opening the Play Store. So you could go ahead and open up your Play Store, type in Google Meet and go to this page. So from here, you could actually go ahead and uninstall the application by tapping on the uninstall button. Or else, if that's not the case, or if you don't want to do it so in that lengthy way, then you could do the same procedure that I showed you. Just long press on it, go to app info section, and then you need to go ahead and click on disable. Now click the disable app option and then click on force stop and click the OK button, and successfully disabled your Google Meet as well. Now this does not mean that the application is completely out of your device. It just means that you've not enabled it, or it's not in use. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.